barbecue cooking again, it's gonna be a solid iftar again.
Yeah, I don't think it gets more anabolic than this.
Barbecue part 2.
We've got the chicken breast ready to be loaded up.
Ignore this chicken breast. I think I broke it.
صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله